Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Students, you have read the three lines pattern. Do you remember which line have we read? Yes, three lines. कौन सी थी? Line pattern. Yes, standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. This is sleeping line. Okay, this is standing line and this is slanting line. Okay, so student, today we will revise all the three lines once. Means standing line, sleeping line and slanting lines. Student, firstly take out your English notebook. This is your English notebook. Firstly, put a date here. Today's date is 05-06-2020. Okay, means today's date is 5th of June 2020 and write down heading. This is your today's homework. So write down here HW. Parents, you know this is your task. So firstly put a date here, then after put it SW here. Students, look at here. Here there are three lines pattern. So firstly identify each line pattern. Tell me which line is this? Yes, this is standing line. This is sleeping line. And this is slanting line. You know, standing line start from top to bottom and sleeping line start from left to right and slanting line is also start from top to bottom but in some bending form. So student, you have to do this. Complete this page. This is your today's homework on the basis of three line patterns. So complete this page firstly. Make standing line like this. Okay, like this and like this. Now make another standing line like this. Yes, here also make a standing line like this. Yes, now come to the second line pattern. Means this is sleeping line. So we will make here sleeping line like this. Okay, you know sleeping line start from left to right like this. Make it here also. Yeah, sleeping line. Which line is this? This is sleeping line. Now come to the another line pattern. Which line is this? This is slanting line. So draw it here like this. This is slanting line. Make it here like this. Okay, make it here also slanting line and slanting line. Student, this is your today's homework. आपको ये होमवर्क करना है with the help of your parent. After completing this exercise, in next page we will draw a picture related on the basis of three lines pattern. Firstly, put a date here. Today's date is 05-06 2 0 2 0. Okay, parent, this is your task, and write down here heading. This is your worksheet on the basis of 3-line pattern. So write down here worksheet number 5. This is your worksheet number 5. So write down heading worksheet 5. Worksheet 5 is basis on the 3 lines pattern, means standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. Students, on the basis of 3 lines means standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. Today we will draw a picture. Okay, let's start. Firstly, make a sleeping line like this. Okay, and make a slanting line like this. Okay, and make here another slanting line like this, and make one more sleeping line. Here make another slanting line like this way, and make a sleeping line like this. Okay, now make a standing line, big standing line like this. Here make a one more standing line, and here one more standing line. There are 3 lines, 1 2 3. Now make one more sleeping line like this. Okay, now this is a picture of house. So here we will make a door like this. Firstly make a standing line, one more standing line and join it like this. This is your sleeping line and this is standing line, and this is also a standing line. And here we will make a small window like this. Okay, sleeping line, standing line, sleeping line and standing line. Your picture is completed. What is this? This is a house. Children, you have to try to make this picture with the help of your parent. One more thing. Today, parent will only help you. You have to make this picture by themselves. You try it. Student, do you remember that in the first video of the art and craft class, we did just color in the house. On that video, the house was made by your parent. Do you remember? Did you just color? आपको याद है ना, आपने सिर्फ हाउस पे कलर किया था. So today you have to try to make this picture, means picture of house, because it is very easy picture. This picture is based on only 3 lines, means sleeping line, slanting line and standing line. I think आपको ये तीनों लाइन ही बनती हैं. ओके, स्लीपिंग लाइन, स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड स्लेंटिंग लाइन, क्योंकि आपने इन तीनों लाइंस के बारे में पढ़ा है. सो टुडे यू हैव टू ट्राई टू मेक दिस पिक्चर with the help of your parent. Today's parent will only help you. You have to make this picture by themselves. Understood? After making the picture of house, आपको color करना. You have to color it on the house. Understood? This is your today's worksheet homework on the basis of 3 lines pattern: standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. Understood? Firstly, complete this homework. This is your first homework. Make 3 lines pattern here, means standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. After completing this exercise, now come to the worksheet and you will make a picture of house on the basis of 3 lines. Understood? Complete the homework and submit to me. I think students, your concept is cleared about standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. आपको अब बहुत अच्छे समझ में आ गया होगा what is the difference between these 3 lines. Okay, these are 3 patterns line pattern. I think आपको अब डिफरेंस समझ में आ गया होगा कि what is the difference between 3 lines. So once again repeat with me. This is standing line. Which line is this? Standing line. This is sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. Which line is this? Sleeping line. And which line is this? This is slanting line. Which line is this? Slanting line. Understood? Standing line, sleeping line and slanting line. So students, complete your homework timely and submit me on time. Understood? Okay. Goodbye students. Take care.